In today's video, I'm going to teach you to upload images in Midjourney. If you're new to Midjourney, here's the key thing to remember. Everything happens inside Discord. So your images are uploaded through a chat with the Midjourney bot. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few simple tips so your upload works smoothly the first time. Start by opening Discord on your desktop app or in a browser. Once you're in, look at your server list on the left and select the Midjourney server. If you're part of several servers, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct one, since that's where the Midjourney bot lives and where you'll be able to start a direct message. Next, you need to make sure the member list is visible. This is the panel on the right side of Discord that shows all the members and bots currently in the server. If you don't see it, click the Show Member List icon to expand it. Once it's open, scroll through or use the search field at the top of that panel to find the Midjourney bot. When you've located it, right-click on the bot's name to open the context menu. From that menu, click Message. This will open a direct message thread with the Midjourney bot. Think of this as your private workspace with the bot. What you send here is where you'll upload your images. With the message window open, you have two easy ways to add a photo. The first is to drag and drop your image file straight from your computer into the message area. When you see the file preview appear, you can add an optional caption if you like, and then send it. The second method is to attach a file. Click the upload or plus icon near the message bar, choose the option to upload a file, navigate to the image on your device, select it, and confirm. Again, you'll see a preview and you can send it when you're ready. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and keeping file sizes reasonable helps uploads complete quickly. If the member list doesn't appear, double check your window size or try toggling the panel. If you can't find the Midjourney bot, confirm you're in the official server and that your connection is stable. Finally, remember that your direct message with the bot is separate from public channels, which keeps your uploads more organized. And that's it. You've now uploaded an image to the Midjourney bot through Discord using either drag and drop or file attachment.